Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down your camera and scene. Stability is everything. Use a tripod with a locking head so nothing shifts between frames. Set exposure in manual and lock ISO, aperture, and shutter. This prevents flicker. Once you've planned the motion, decide increments, small, consistent steps like 1/2 to 2 degrees, then mark positions on the surface. You'll see why uniform movement and locked settings make the animation flow. Once done, you're ready to shoot your first controlled sequence. You now shoot with precision. Use a remote trigger or intervalometer so your hands never introduce shake. Move the subject in consistent micro steps and keep notes. Repeatable increments create smooth motion. Reframe sparingly. If you must, adjust the camera with tiny, indexed moves and document them. Once you've captured 50 to 100 frames, play them back at target frame rate to check pacing, then make subtle corrections. This methodical approach avoids surprises and ensures You finish by refining and rendering. Import frames, use onion skinning or overlay tools to align and nudge any misaligned frames. Render at a higher FPS, then conform back to your target frame rate to smooth tiny gaps. When exporting, apply subtle motion blur if needed. This blends frames into a more cinematic result. If you see jitter, first try software stabilization, then reshoot the few problematic frames with tighter increments. If necessary, adjust lighting or lock the rig more securely to eliminate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.